Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW 5 Series boot step by step. First, grab your key fob. To open the boot remotely, simply press and hold the dedicated boot release button on the fob for about 2 to 3 seconds. You will hear a click, and the boot lid will unlatch, lifting slightly to indicate it is ready to be opened fully. This is a convenient way to access your boot before you even reach the car. Next, let's look at opening the boot from inside your BMW. You'll find a dedicated boot release button conveniently located within the cabin. It's usually on the driver's side door panel, near the window controls, or sometimes on the lower dashboard. A quick, firm press of this button will electronically unlatch the boot, allowing you to open it without needing your key fob. Now for opening the boot directly from the outside. Many BMW 5 Series models feature an exterior boot release button. This is commonly integrated into the BMW roundel emblem on the boot lid, or sometimes discreetly positioned just above the license plate. Make sure your car is unlocked, then simply press this button once, and the boot will pop open for you to lift. Finally, for those rare emergency situations, there's an internal boot release. If someone accidentally gets locked inside, or if the electronic systems fail, look for a small, glow-in-the-dark handle. It's typically located near the boot latch on the inside of the boot lid. A firm pull on this handle will manually release the latch, providing a crucial safety exit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.